Hi guys, how are you doing today? See, this video is only for advanced learner, even the intermediate learners, if they can understand, it is very well. Today we are going to discuss here a very famous communication psychologist theory, 3V theory. What is 3V? First V stands for verbal, what we speak. Second V stands for vocal, how we sound. And third V stands for visual, how we look, how we interact in terms of our body language actually. So you see, before going through this study, actually, before going through these facts and figures, even I was not aware about the importance and about the permutation and combinations. Can anyone imagine that everybody who is communicating, these three parts are involved in communication: verbal, vocal, and visual. The visual part contributes 55% of total communication. Can you imagine? I used to think that, like verbal is the content actually, what really we want to speak to someone. So verbal must be having very great percentage in terms of communication percentage. But I was very wrong. When I studied all the facts and figures, I got to know that it contributes only 7%. The verbal part, whatever contents we are saying, it contributes only 7% of our communication, and the rest 38%, that is our vocal. Vocal means how we sound, the tone, the phonetics actually. It contributes 38%. This is the whole constitution of our communication. So whenever we are communicating with someone, we should understand the importance of these parts, and accordingly we should initiate our communication. If we are not looking good, if our face is not expressing that impressive, if our eyes are not directly in contact with the person to whom we are discussing, if our face is not in a positive manner, if our body language is not reacting in that manner only, then it means that we are lacking behind in terms of this communication, and this communication is not going to be very impactable, right? Second thing is the vocal one. I will say that, like whatever contents we are saying, if our vocal, our sound is not as per our contents, as per our communication, as per our body language, all the three parts should be aligned in such a way that whenever we are communicating something to someone, it should have a great impact. That's it, guys. This was a great theory actually, and I wanted to discuss with you. So whenever you are communicating with someone, you should keep in mind these factors so that you can achieve the greatest part of your communication. Thanks a lot, guys. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like, and comment as well. Thanks a lot again.